Vocaroo is very simple to use. Even your littles can use it. So you just go to vocaroo.com, and this is something that you can have bookmarked for your kids. And all they have to do is click to record and allow the microphones. Once you've done that once, you don't have to do it again. And so now I'm recording. And so your students can record whatever they need to. And then they just click stop. Now they can give it a listen. Or if they know they don't like it right away, they can go ahead and retry, or they can listen and then click retry. But once they are happy with the recording, they just click here to save. And that's probably the most difficult is noticing this small print of click here to save. And so they have the link that they can just click on and copy it and paste it into Schoology. Or if they want, right here in the small print is the QR code. So you can click on QR code and you can just copy this. So it's a 2-finger click on a Chromebook or a right click on a PC or laptop. And they can just save the image or they can copy the image. And then they could also download it as an MP3. But I think just the sharing options of the link or the QR code is best. And then when they're done, they can delete it if they would like.